Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue solving practice question for understanding units. So to convert the following area measurements to the unit given. So first we need to remember this diagram, kilometer until millimeter. For unit of area, each step, if going down, will multiply by 10 square. However, each step, if going up, we will divide it by 10 square. So let us take a look now. A, 12 centimeter to millimeter. So only one step. So 12 we multiply by 10 square. So this will give us the answer of 1200 millimeter square. Next, centimeter to millimeter. Okay, same thing. So 9 times 10 square. So it's gonna be 900 millimeter square. Centimeter to millimeter, okay, 164.2 times 10 square, so it's gonna be 1642 millimeter square. Let us find kilometer to meter. So 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So 0.37 times 10 square times 10 square times 10 square, 3 times. So this will give us the answer of 37 with 4 zeros meter square. Meter to kilometer opposite. So 1, 2, 3. This is divided. So 9, 4, 1, 1 divided by 10 square, divided again by 10 square, divided again by 10 square. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so this will give us the answer of 0.00941 kilometer square. Meter to millimeter, how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3. 3. So 0.423 times 10 square times 10 square times with 10 square. 3 times. So it's gonna be 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 millimeter square. 6. Okay, to make it easier to remember, okay, there is diagram here. So centimeter to millimeter is only one step. Okay, we should remember if the units of volume, each step going down multiplied by 10 cube, each step going up, we divide by 10 cube. So here 69 times 10 cube. It's gonna be 69,000 millimeter cube. Centimeter to millimeter, okay, so 19 times 10 cube, so 1900 millimeter cube. Centimeter to millimeter is only one step, so 30.04 times 10 cube, so this will be 3004 and one more 0 millimeter cube. Meter to centimeter, how many times? 1, 2. 2 times. So 4.815 times 10 cube times again with 10 cube. So this will be, let us write 4815 and then 3 zeros, centimeter cube. Millimeter to centimeter, 1 times. So 103 divided by 10 cube. 10 cube, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 0.103 centimeter cube. Millimeter to meter, how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. So 46,900 divided by 3 times. 10 cube divided by 10 cube divided again by 10 cube. So it's gonna be 0.0000469 meter cube. Now is centimeter cube, 2 liter. So we need to know is 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 milliliter. So after milliliter, we just change it again later on to liter. So if this is equal to 455 milliliter, we need to change it into liter. So milliliter here, liter are here. So 3 times. So 455 divided by 1000. So the liter is 0.455 liters. Okay, liters to centimeters. So the liters, we need to change it first into milliliter. So we 2.25 times 1000. So this is gonna be 250 milliliter, which is equal to 42,250 centimeter cube. Here, remember. Now is 7. Naim lives 1.2 kilometer from the school. Sadika lives 980 meters from school. How much closer to school does Sadika live? Okay, Naim lives and Sadika, how much closer to school does from school, and Sadika lives from school. Okay, first let us change it here 7. So 1.2 kilometer, this is equal to 1200 meter. Sadika lives is 980 meter. So how much closer? Just find the difference. So this which is here. The unit are same meter, so just 220 meter. How much closer? The closer. Now is 8. The coin has diameter of 22 millimeter. If you place 50 coin in a row, how many centimeter long row will be? Okay, in a row. So first, let us make it 22 times 50. So this is still in millimeter. So let us write it the unit. So 22 millimeter. 22 millimeter times with 50. So this is gonna be 1100 millimeter. So we just change it millimeter into centimeter. How many times millimeter to centimeter is only 1. So this we divided by 10. So the centimeter will be 110 centimeter long. Now is 9, number 9. Here number 9. A square of fabric has an area of here. What are the length of the side of the square in centimeter? Okay, the area. The area is side square. If the area is 176 and then 1400. One side, we just make it square. 176,400 is one side. So we need to find what is the square root of 176,400. So the sides, one side is gonna be 420. This is, what is the area? Okay, millimeter. So millimeter to centimeter, we just divided by 10. So the sides equal to 42 centimeter. Okay, number 10. How many cuboid boxes, each with the dimension 50 centimeter, 90 centimeter, and then 120 centimeter, can you fit into a similar cuboid of the volume? Okay, meter. So we need to change it first. Here the volume. So let us make it this volume. So volume first is 50 centimeter times 90 centimeter times with 100 centimeter. So it's gonna be centimeter cube. So 50 times 90 times with 120. So it's gonna be 540,000. Okay, the volume, similar volume, is 48 meter cube. We need to change it into centimeter. How many times? 1, 2. 2 times. So this multiplied by 10 cube, multiplied again by 10 cube. So 48, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 centimeter cube. So to find how many boxes, so here the boxes, to find it, so 48, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we divided by 540,000. Okay, 3, we can simplify 3. Okay, so the boxes is 4,800 divided by 54. So 4,800 divided by 54. So this around 88. This is, we cannot round down or we cannot round up, as you cannot have we cannot make it a half of boxes. So we just make it here as 88 boxes. Yeah, remember, we need to always make it the units are equal, so we can proceed to the next step. There it is. Thank you.